If this pops up on your screen when you try to live stream or go live on the Lollipop Live Streaming app, do not panic. There is no cause for alarm, because in today's video I'm going to be basically talking about the charm level, what it means, and how you can reach different charm levels or upgrade to different charm levels on the Lollipop app. So stay with me to the end of this video, and if this video turns out to be helpful, do not hesitate to smash the like button. If you're new here, we talk about how to make money online legitimately, and live streaming on apps like this is one of them. So if this type of content interests you and you know you wouldn't want to miss out on future videos of mine, just click on the subscribe button. It's totally free. And let me know in the comment section if you're just coming across my channel for the first time through this video so I can give you a shout out. So with all that being said, let's get started with the purpose of today's video. Charm level and how to upgrade to go live on Lollipop.
In order for me to explain what charm level is all about, we're going to go to a Lollipop account and then move to the level section of our dashboard. You can see here we have tax, invite, store, and level. So let's click on level. That's where we're going to go so I can explain what it's all about. All right, so you can see here, you can see my account. It says just agency. You can see above we have reach level, and then by my right we have charm level. So let us begin with reach level before we then go to charm level. What is reach level? This is basically the amount of coins you gift out in form of exchanges or gifts to your friends while live streaming. For example, you purchase coins on the app, like let's assume you purchase like 1,000 coins, for example, and then you gift it out to someone. This bar here will be calculating your level. Okay, this bar here is going to calculate your level, and below here we have like the amount of coins. Okay, the breakdown of the amount of coins, the amount of T coins you need to send out in order for you to move or increase your reach level. So sending out gifts to your friends and family that are with you while you live stream increases your reach level because you bought the coins and you are gifting it out. While the charm level, on the other hand, is the amount of T points you receive when someone gifts you T coins. I hope that is clear. For example, I am live streaming and I have like about 5 hosts live streaming with me. If they gift me let's say they gift me 10,000 coins,
My charm level will increase.
This bar here is going to calculate my charm level
As it progresses.
You see here it says still 99 exp to reach level 1. So based on what they have here, they said charm level is based on the T points you receive. Just like I said, you receiving T points, like the T points is similar to normal points you receive on Popo Live. You understand, like the money you withdraw. Okay, that's your T points. While T coins are the normal coins you have that you use for gifting, gambling, and exchange and all that. So T points are the one you receive in return. So yeah, down here is a breakdown of the amount of T points you need to receive in order for you to increase your charm level. And just like what I was saying here, they said, look at this calculation. 100 T points is equals to 1 XP. So if someone is gifting you while you're live streaming, you need to be checking your live stream record. You need to be checking your T points record. Okay, how many T points are you receiving in return? Because if you receive like, let's say someone gifts you 1,000 coins now, let's assume that you receive 100 T points in return for that 1,000 coins that was being sent to you in form of gift. That equates or is equals to 1 exp. So it's exp that is used to determine the next level. Okay, not just basically the points. So you need to receive some amount of points which is equals to exp, and then once you reach the needed exp, you get to level 1. So you see here it says still 99 exp to reach level 1. So if you have friends, or if you want to just buy coins and give it to someone to gift you so you can get to charm level 1, if your friends come to party with you and then they gift you, this increases your charm level. And if you are able to get to charm level 1, you can be able to live stream. That's like the new requirement and the new development now on the Lollipop app. Initially when they were launched, there was nothing like this. Okay, this was just recently introduced.
So if you see this when you're about to go live on the Lollipop app, what it means is that you need to reach charm level 1 to unlock your own room. So before you can go live, you need to get to charm level 1. And if you want to get increase your charm level with friends that will send you gifts, all you just have to do is to join the community below. If you don't have friends that will gift you so your level can increase, join the community. I'll be leaving the link to our WhatsApp community where you can find friends who will be ready to assist you with the gifting so that your charm level can increase. Alright, so let us wrap up this video with something important I need to share with you.
and I want you to take this very, very seriously. All right. So if you want to live stream on the app, okay, let's say you want to live stream on the app, you already know what to do.
Yeah, right.
About four interfaces below here. The first interface is where you're going to click on, and then you see this camera icon here. You click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see yourself appearing here. You can see me here. Okay, and down below you see it says party and it says chat. While performing your task, you are going to click on party. The difference between this app and other live streaming apps is that there is no solo live. Okay, there's no solo live in for you to perform. There's no task that requires you to solo live to earn rewards, so you are partying to earn rewards, but that doesn't mean your face should not show here. See, the reason why I'm doing like this now without any issues because I've not clicked on go live. As soon as you click on go live, ensure your face shows here. You must not remove your face at any point. Do you get me? Because they are restricted, like they are banning people seriously. Okay, I'll show you how I live stream, how I show myself when I'm live stream. But let me show you what happened. Even today, I was restricted again. I lost focus at some point and I got restricted for 24 hours, meaning I cannot get my tax. I can't get to do my tax for the whole of 1 day, and you know what it means. I am losing $1 every day if I get restricted every day. So that's what you need to put into consideration. Ensure that when you're live streaming, you can just place your phone somewhere and do whatever you're doing, but do not remove your face. And do not even turn your face a bit. Like, how will I even put that you get? Don't, just ensure that your face is visible in the camera. Okay, see, I was restricted today. See me, a mistake. This is me here. It says Jess agency has violated the platform, and I was restricted while trying to make a video that I'm going to show you now. The video I was trying to show you is that you should not remove your face. This is how you should live stream. Your face should show and all that. As I was trying to make the video, I lost focus because I was attending to some people's messages on my other device, and that was why I got restricted here. You can see me here. I got restricted, so I cannot do my tax today. I've lost $1. I see my hosts too. I'm getting notification that my hosts are being restricted for not, like, their face not showing. This person, for example, now I don't know, her face is not showing, and that's not how to live stream. You must ensure that you are in a well lit environment, okay, and then your face is visible. All right, mine is a little bit lit up, but I got carried away and my face went off camera. So just ensure that when you're live streaming, so you don't lose your newbie bonus, which is to get $1 every day. I'll tell you more about it. If you want more tutorial videos about this app, I would only post more videos if I get about 10 comments in the comment section asking questions regarding this app, and demanding for a tutorial video on it. If you have any question at all, feel free to leave it below in the comment section. If you want me to do a tutorial video on those your questions, like a question and answer video or tutorial, something like that, just let me know in the comment section below. So that's what you need to put into consideration. Now let me show you how I live stream without any issue.
So when you're live streaming, this is how you should be on camera. Your face should show. It's not necessary for your whole body to show, but ensure that you are showing, you are visible, and you are not like, see, I was trying to tell you that if you bend your phone like this, there will be a message that said, okay, face is not detected, and then they will just restrict you if you don't get to position yourself in the right place in time. See, something like this, putting your phone and your face is not showing, they will just catch you immediately. I don't know how they do it, but ensure your face is fully displayed while you're live streaming. This was when I was live streaming to teach you guys how to live stream well, and then I lost focus, and then that was how I was restricted. For you to know how strict, so make sure you put this at the back of your mind before you live stream or while you are live streaming, to avoid being restricted for a whole 24 hours. So that's it for today's video. I hope I've been able to clear your confusion about the charm level and how to increase your charm level so you can live stream on the Lollipop app. Just like I said, if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, smash the like button. Is a way of telling me thank you, and so YouTube can recommend my videos to others like you who need this kind of information. See you in the next lit video.